Presenting Samsung Galaxy M05 smartphone. This smartphone comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB memory storage. It features with captivating viewing experience on bigger 6.7-inch display with HD plus resolution, 720 by 1600 pixels, and has 20:9 aspect ratio. It has 50-megapixel high-resolution dual camera, f/1.8, for sharp and detailed pictures and 8-megapixel front camera, f/2.0, for stunning selfie. Its latest Android 14 operating system having one UI Core 6.0 platform and 2 GHz, 1.8 GHz clock speed with octa-core processor. It offers massive 5000 mAh battery with C-Type 25 watts fast charging. The box contains smartphone, USB cable, Type C to C, SEIM star pin and quick start guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Presenting iQOO Z10 Lite 5G smartphone. It is available in colors, cyber green, and titanium blue. It comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. It features ultimate viewing experience with 6.74 inches, 17.13 centimeters, large display, 90Hz refresh rate, and 1000 nits high brightness mode. It has 50-megapixel Sony AI camera which can snap stunning photos, with advanced AI features like AI Erase, AI Photo Enhance, AI Document Mode, and many more. It features Dimensity 6300, 5G processor with 433K plus and 2.2 score. A highly power-efficient 6nm chip, with CPU speeds upgraded to reach 2.4 GHz, delivering a lag-free everyday experience, with low power consumption. It is powered by a massive 6000 mAh battery, and 15 watts flash charge, keeping you ahead of the day, with uninterrupted energy for entertainment, work, and everything in between. The box contains cell phone, charger, USB cable, eject tool, quick start guide, warranty card, and phone case. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Presenting Redmi A4 5G smartphone. It is available in variants 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage. It is available in colors sparkle purple and starry black. It comes with 4GB RAM and 64GB internal storage. It features with large 6.88 inches screen size, 120Hz refresh rate display with 600 nits peak brightness, 240Hz touch sampling rate and TUV triple certified eye care protection. It has 50-megapixel dual camera and 5-megapixel front camera. Features Snapdragon 4S Gen 2, 5G processor, fast side fingerprint sensor and supports 4G plus 5G SA network. It comes with 5160 mAh battery with 18 watts fast charging support and 33 watts charger in box with USB Type-C. The box contains power adapter, USB cable and SIM tray ejector. This product comes with standard brand warranty.